Esikafu e wo Ghana because of yatete kwa asem nti no omuntimi kra e show sika. Omuntimi blow sika no. Yentie momu blow sika no. What did I make her say? Mandana basic private lunch. It should be enjoy or something. People are even talking about it. Say private jet today, obesi Ghana. Hey, are we that dumb? Are we that? Just say you to sasa. Good morning, listeners. Today, Masamba, minimum bubu nsemo. Where too much coffee show. They be once a week. I come to your homes. Me bomb my dream, no bo dream. Would you try whatever you think at the comment section? Me ba me kanya. Next week me ba me you ano. What I say? Nene there are some yeka. Me who be who pa. I say over 60% of Ghanaians are illiterates. What I say? Ye beka me be about Magdan Munimna or your business tycoon. Why a private launch at airport in 77 bar. Na fe ya sense despite abayo na se papa no peso yo se die yo why ntia or say ni sika na snake money no. Mama mi twa mo na me ba ye beka. Once again too much coffee show. Cheers. Welcome. They say anopa bia onya coffee say. Say am ti o say. Na me bo madwe na bo wadwen a e betimi akwani. Ni say am kind, 60% of Ghanaians are what? Illiterates. Just say achocho ni akenkan yenim e very frightening. And now unim they be because politicians me and you machi. They know this and that's what they are using to exploit Ghanaians. You can't be an illiterate as such as say. It just obi a only machocho, no ni makenkan. But no shouldn't be limitation to your life. Sebe uni machocho na uni makenkan wo efie nyansa. Efie nyansa no kwe emu odukwase mbugu de no. Minime binimu a sebe omo anko school enu ekire. Be na omo employ graduates ene nkofo omo kura PhD. What did I make and say? Life is how you make it. Ghanaians ye osuban bi enye ye pe say de bia ye blame obi for our problems. There be a me catch him in who say, Fatu Chimu said, nobody owes you anything, and you don't owe anybody anything. Life is about yourself. God doesn't even owe you anything. What did I make her say? The moment I feel say, Obi, owe something, be your mother, your father, your uncle, that is where you start coming down. Because Oba Yaseno, Unkwana Obaye, Ukonso Unkwana Beko, into Obia owe anything. So what the side in the show chima obi anya bibi kwa ma o fa because who himself only pan owe anything. Na side in the show chima you strive to be what the very best you can. Ghanaians we na we anya we mame na we ede na wo so aya ma nipa no. O na we ye say ede na wo so ye ma nipa no. Ana wo de enka ho. Blame game na doso. Yen ye say yen ye be bibi ama ye ho. Uye bibi ma hu wie a na wabompa na nyame so aye bibi ama because nyame no oye ni ope na me bahwe bibi na mesre kakra Magdan na private jet ye ba ye na kofo ka ho asem na you see the mentality of the Ghanaian. Uko Nigeria private jet ye common. O say na me ka se bi se esikafo e wo Ghana because of yatete kwa asem nti no omuntimi kra e show sika omuntimi blow sika no yentie momu blow sika no what did I make her say? Mandana basic private lunch it should be enjoy or something. People are even talking about it. Say private jet today obesi Ghana. Hey, are we that dumb? Are we that just say you to sasa private jets ye Christian Ronaldo or a small boy or private jets Ghana footballer ben obi. Oh, yet the same mentality, colonial mentality ni atete kwa asem no ahye nipa twima I say nipa kwa was kase obeto because so say obeto. Bi o kwa kwato yi na ofi abefo kwa no meku. But it shouldn't be so. Me there be am say from now on, let's celebrate what? Greatness. Na yenja I say, ye kika nioma be na emwa. Obi etimi ye bibia, let's celebrate the person. Or private jets. Also papa ye adwuma de na so Toby. That should be your focus. And then your focus is to speak against it. Auto private jet. Say ye not babe. Obi kra say ye the cocaine babe fa. Ye the cocaine fa na minya bi no ma. And I say minya bi skali bi dia. Ankenye. Massa, let's be positive. We are too negative minded. Emwa me. Emma ye kwetwe. And I know she yet say ya papa despite. One man show. Na me de girl na o kasan kra de na mi hu ni ti mi hu ni nine. Mi nim say wo no person that's my tramp no. Na that's my son in ntwi. Say dey you because girl na o kasa no. I don't really get the drift though. Say when snake money. Face ya mi hu snake money down. Ni ami hu ni say adwumaden na e money pasika. Now you see the thinking of the Ghanaian. Say bibia ye bibinti. Ohia ni onam ho de bibia nya no. Hwe ye celebrate poverty. Obi na mono ehia ni dia. Eh all right. But onye sika dia wakodi sika duro. Hey, mo me he bibi yo na ya dwen na nyo. Enye kra say wo young girl, minim how old you are. Na ujira ona ka chiro obi papa say snake money. Snake money an wo su kopa bi. Mo de sam de mo ade na eche. Papa no. Mo de mo ade na eche. Ono de ode adwumade na ye. Na nra me buafu a be na person yen on a light note. You see, say obi nya sika na wo nya bi ya. Emma wani mre. Celebrate the person. Get close to the person. Na on chop kan pasua ye di pesika. Na mitie osaikufo. Na all ka say despite na amma na I akoso enye sika abedu samre. That is the kind of statement I want. Say owenye sika no ochi obi kwan ebenye sika. That is the positive energy we need to have. And yes, when you sika nti na mede wonam o akwa we kra woni wakwaji sika do. Akwaji sika do na ye. Akwaji sika do na ye. Also for the akwaji e bi ono ne member na akwaji afa na akwaji. Ana ma me wo ho ana yire wo na akwaji. Mimi de Ghana for yen nyina wo sika aka mi do. Let's create billionaires in Ghana. Now, we'll be proud to have like 1 million millionaires in Ghana. Young guys, that should be the focus. Politicians, wake up because the youth are getting angry. Let's help the youth to create jobs, to create like opportunities for them. Now you're creating, millionaires because you're creating millionaires. So-called diamond, kwasi asemo mu kenyina, emaso. Come na no. Come no. Nipa bi come de wa. So be here na say ya because any come the dinner na say be here akasem no kan na konka say obi atoka ma na ho wa enye se wakofa aban sika me politician no ye na wo kan ke be Kenya ka meka bi but this is a man who has worked hard over time when you sika or the sika has snake money and I make us snake money dey can pay bi pa because snake money it me top Bugatti $3 million and easy. The whole world, you're 500 people. Africa, 3. West Africa, number 1. Or the hobby. We should be proud of our own. You should be proud as a Ghanaian. This is the time to be proud as a Ghanaian. Say Ghanaian, to be a top Bugatti. And yet, this is the time to tell him, say, snake money. Snake money, Baby, or maybe I'll come back to me. That must mean yabi. But many man don't say, Pasi ye bobo nsembi ho. Se omanya ye wo mu no, maye ma politicians no, e maye nka nsemfon. Ene me ko Ghana web na me tie papa bi. Wo se wo ye friend saying convener for fix the country. Charlie, let's be careful. Asemo kan na ehu. Asemo kan na ehu pa na me catch you say, mommy hwe anoka say yi. You see, Ghana's army are noted to be what? Number 1 in the world. In South Africa, for discipline. Why they are saying, you can't say, so Becca can say, your friend is saying, say, you live in your Appiah, so be cool. Hey, now when himself Casana kind of is tantamount to treason. Do you know treason? Treason, chair say, ya look what Jina and Ranimuna, ya, you bet me a coon, you bet me a bukun for, and I said, do better if you ask for life. Or some can say, you know, yes, military no weak. Hey, say if I go as you do no. Yes, I'm for no. Fa ko Ghana you do no. Na me tie na mobo na me but see this one the military should not let it lie down. What see a friend saying? Papa ikra me nim ni din na just say edino na emba na me pese me kire mo din no. But ne na all can say omo pass we no be stage coup. Me so say papa yi also to mpoda. But no say so be stage coup. Mommy here kasa mo ye pa o. Because sometimes ye kasa in the heat of the moment ye can yama be. But one thing I mean per se ye de ebe mo ye the military. Omo ye our last line of defense if you people don't know. Say ye do omo bye sa nyama ehu a eye time. What I say or say if this ye levy passes after this cake bullshit, I'll do the coup myself. Useless army. Who the hell are you? Wow, this man Becca Womavo, the military should take you on. You are a fool for saying this. I won't even mess words. Say, oh yeah, what dear? Now let's dialogue like intelligent people. But who can we now be one of bagaya now can same way say our military is useless. Now one casano, oh my me wo no MC Yama wo nufu anom. One nufu bia one nufu bi say a friend Oliver Becca Womavo said then convener there you were a big fool. Change. Because some now kind unima a treason. And you can be hauled to the Supreme Court and you can be jailed for life or you can be sentenced to death. No matter what we do, don't let us drag our security into some of these things. Our security is always up to the tax. But they are sensible enough to know, say, coup is not the way. Such people, mobile mind, say, you do a maybe a Ghana, and you can be nothing so many can be senior maker, also can be, and your arms. So what I say, if you are wiser, use your intelligence wisely and say what you want to say. Me, I'm not for E11, but the way you said it, only a fool can say that. Ghanaians, let's be wise. And the youth, let's not talk like that. Nipa say, Okasa, let's put him aside. All that I want to tell you today is that, look, let's be positive-minded. Let's have good energy. Good energy brings prosperity. They think positive. So me and you, I'm challenging you, watching me. Say, have good energy. Good thoughts. Nobody owes you anything. So don't owe anybody anything. That is my message for you. Work hard and pray hard. Anyway, cheers.